around 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Lancaster, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the National Weather Service Kent State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, East Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania.
Warning for Lancaster County and York County, effective until 3:52 p.m.
College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, East Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Safe Harbor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles, 60 miles, and ultra-size hail. Source indicated. Expect wind damage, sightings, entries. Locations include Lancaster, Columbia, Northville, Paradise, Crawford, Stroudville, Coyville, Grove, and King Ferry. For your protection, repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following Lancaster and York. College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over course 60 miles per hour with fastball-sized hail. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. It's over
20 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: severe.
Being accepted for driver daylight time at 3:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm was located over moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: severe thunderstorm warning has been. Expected damage to locations and Coreyville. Summers truck with a wooden truck. Each a cautionary / preparedness action. There, in order to riding on ice. Football. Direct
miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Source: radar indicated.
They can talk.
Hail. Source. Hail vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Exciting.
Margaretaville, New Oxford.
Location